Innerville district 323 has been a torchbearer among the Innerville clubs in India. Year after year, we have done projects which have made a big difference and impacted the society. We are very proud of the brand Innerville, which is looked upon as a dynamic group of ladies ready to help with compassion for women empowerment, children and mother welfare, girl-child development, infant care and elders care. The association president has given the guideline for this year, theme project, and the districts are free to choose any of theme project as per their choice. District 323 has also planned activities on similar line. Now, you president have to do your project planning. The district EC and project coordinator are going to play a supportive role. We are still to recover from the shock of pandemic COVID-19 that has shaken mankind. Thousands have been infected and hospitalized. Hundreds have lost their loved ones. The white coat warriors, health workers, police personnel, corporation personnel, scavengers cleaning the cities have toiled day and night. They have helped in containing the spread of pandemic and cured thousands of patients. Innerville ladies are always ready to help in any emergencies. We can help the COVID-19 affected people and their families. We can extend a helping hand to doctors and hospitals treating COVID-19 patients. We can educate the youth on hygiene. Let's call the project Innerville Brings Hope to COVID-19. Under this banner, some doable project can be distribution of masks to schools, teachers, orphanage and others. Hygiene awareness in schools, one-drop sanitizer to every child by class monitor before going to lunch, cleaning of desk before sitting, extending help to hospitals and containment ward as need arises. Innerville recognition to doctor and health workers. Police personnel who toil to contain the pandemic. Think innovatively how you can support those impacted by COVID-19. Innerville is a symbol of hope. Apart from COVID relief, the following projects are doable. President can individually or jointly take up this project. Every summer, Chennai faces a lot of water crisis. So, we propose to take up a large lake restoration project which can be benefited to 20 to 30,000 residents or 600-800 farmer families. A regular such a source of much needed water will be available to them year after year. We will tap corporate for financial support of this project. Project B. 95% of rainwater each year goes unutilized into the drain. Can we play a role to conserve this? And the answer is yes. We can plan 100 to 200 rainwater harvesting well to be taken up. Maybe each club does 3 to 5 well or they jointly organize. And these we plan to do in school where water logging happen or street corners having water logging. This is a permanent solution to change groundwater year after year. Each club can target to 100 tree plantation during the year in various locations and district target to achieve 5,000 tree plantation. Waste segregation from home and from communities. The collection, disposal and composting will be explained and guided president. We will implement it through their club members. Plastic waste disposal and e-waste disposal will also be guided. Clean environment and balanced ecology is the need for the hour. We will fulfill some of these through this project. Health and hygiene. We are already working in this area but will give more focus this year. Many seminars to educate school and college girls about their health, menstrual hygiene, Free sanitary pad will be provided. More detail will be discussed later. Helping orphanage and old age home. We are doing this project each year. As this year we will do it with more focus. While we do all this project, we should not forget to have fun and develop our friendship. Make your club meeting more interesting, participative, so that more members want to attend them. Let us together remind the world that Innerville is a symbol of hope.